Chapter 3 Paint 3D Mixed Reality Art. Recapitulation. MS Paint is a simple drawing program included in all versions of Microsoft Windows. We can draw 2D images in MS Paint. Central idea: open Paint 3D. Create the 2D canvas. Inserting and painting 3D models. Creating a model and using mixed reality in Paint 3D. Paint 3D is a built-in creative paint application that comes with Windows 10. It is designed to be simple yet powerful by allowing you to create paintings by combining 2D and 3D tools. The best part is that you do not need any design experience. Its approachable interface makes it easy to customize existing 3D models from a built-in 3D library or create 3D designs from scratch. Open Paint 3D. Type Paint in the search bar and select Paint 3D. Click New to create a new project. Note: select means to move the mouse cursor over an item and then click the left mouse button once. Let us learn about the Paint 3D interface. Paint 3D interface: toolbar, brush options, brush tools, menu button. Canvas. There is a toolbar across the top of the display. The far right side of the toolbar has an option for toggling tool names on and off. The illustrations here show the tool names toggled on. If you select the Brushes tool from the top menu, then right side panel displays 10 brush options, controls for thickness, opacity, material and color, by entering a value in a text box or by using a slider found beneath the option. There is also an option for setting materials for 3D objects. If you hover the mouse cursor over a brush, a tooltip will pop up showing the name of the brush. The Paint 3D world. The 3D world uses 3 axes: X, Y, and Z. In Paint 3D, the X-axis is horizontal, the Y-axis is vertical, and the Z-axis is in and out of the display. The Z-axis appears as a point in the normal view. When you create a 3D object, there are tools for rotating the object around the 3 axes. The empty white background in the canvas, which is the background image that appears behind the 3D scene. When you draw with 2D tools in Paint 3D, the drawing is placed on the canvas. Once 3D objects are added, they can be moved in and out of the plane of the canvas. Note: a 3D view tool toggles the scene in and out of 3D to show where objects are relative to a canvas backdrop. Creating the 2D canvas, Paint 3D gives us a lot of tools to create a good canvas image and also allows us import a photo or image from another application and use it as our canvas background. Let's try to create a beautiful background of sky. Open a web browser, for example, Bing. Click on Images and follow the steps. Step 1. Type Sky Background. Step 2. Select any image of your choice. Step 3. Right-click on the image and select Save Image. Step 4. In the Save As dialog box, click on Save. Step 5. Open Paint 3D program on your computer and click the Select New option. you would find a window with blank canvas as shown below. Step 6. Click on the menu. Step 7. Select Insert. Step 8. Select Browse Files to select the image that you have saved from Bing. Step 9. Select the image from the folder you have saved the background image. Step 10. The beautiful sky background image is added on the canvas and it no whiter. Inserting and painting 3D models. There are several ways to insert 3D objects in your scene, like you can use Paint 3D's integrated tools to create basic 3D models. Add advanced 3D models from Remix 3D. Insert 3D model files created in other applications. Paint 3D supports files in 3D, GLB, 3D 3MF or 3D FBX format for 3D images. Start creating your own 3D models. Step 1. Click on the 3D shapes. Step 2. Here you can select an option from 3D Doodle or 3D Objects or 3D Models from the 3D shapes. Select the fish 3D model. Step 3. Select yellow color. Step 4. Click somewhere in your scene to place the model and drag your mouse to resize or reposition the object. Step 5. Use the other buttons around the object to rotate it in various directions and adjust its distance from the canvas in the scene. Step 6. When you are done, just click outside the model. Any model can be adjusted afterwards also with the help of the Select tool. The 3D Doodle tools allow to quickly draw 3D models. There is a Sharp Edge tool that will create models with sharp edges and a Soft Edge tool that will create models with softer edges. For example, you might want to use the Sharp Edge tool to draw a rock and the Soft Edge tool to draw puffy clouds. Just click and drag with the mouse and Paint 3D will create a model that roughly matches what you draw. Here, we've used the Soft Edges tool to draw a cloud and placed it behind our other model in the scene. Step 7. Select the 3D shapes to draw a cloud. Step 8. Select white color for drawing clouds. Step 9. Select the Soft Edges 3D Doodle. Step 10. Click at the position where you want to draw the cloud. Drag your mouse to draw the cloud. Step 11. Click outside anywhere when you are done. The Brushes tool helps to paint any model. You can select different types of brushes and textures, including dull and polished metal, as well as a color. For example, if you wanted to give your model a polished golden look, you could select polished metal and a yellow color here. You could then click the paint bucket icon and click the model once, which would paint its entire surface with the color and texture you chose. You could also select different brushes here to paint smaller parts of the object's surface. Step 12. Select the Brushes tool. Step 13. From the Choose a Material drop-down, select Polished Metal. Step 14. Select the Fill option and click inside the 3D model. You can see the change in the model. 3D View button shows the 3D view of the entire scene. You can click and drag your mouse to move your view around. Step 15. Click on the 3D view of the scene. Step 16. Use mouse to move around the scene. You can also apply stickers and textures to an object using the Stickers pane. Paint 3D provides you with some basic stickers, but you can also choose to import an image file and apply it as a texture to your object, just as you did with the canvas background. Let us select the stickers from the toolbar and draw an owl eye sticker on the 3D model. Step 17. Select the stickers from the toolbar. Step 18. Select the owl sticker. Rather than creating all your own models, you can search for models that other people have created from the 3D library icon on the toolbar. Step 19. Drag to draw the eye. Step 20. Select the 3D library. Step 21. Type fish in the search box and press Enter key. Step 22. From the list of the available 3D model, select any model. After placing the model into your scene, you can reposition, rotate, paint, and apply stickers to models. You can also add 2D or a 3D text to the scene. Step 23. Select the text on the toolbar. Step 24. Click inside the scene and start typing the text on the backdrop. Once done, click anywhere on the backdrop. You can reposition, rotate the text. Finally, there is an effects option in the toolbar to change the effects in the scene. Step 25. Click on the effects icon. Step 26. Change the light wheel and see the changes in the color of the scene. When you are done, you can click Menu, Save to save the project on your computer, or Upload to Remix 3D to upload it to Microsoft's gallery. The print option in the menu will open your 3D scene in 3D Builder, so you can print it on a 3D printer. Creating a model and using mixed reality in Paint 3D. Step 1. Open a new Paint document. Step 2. Step 1. Open a new Paint document. Step 2. Select 3D library. Step 3. Type the name of the object that you want to see on your hand. Step 4. Select and add the object on the canvas. Step 5. Click on the Mixed Reality option. A 3D viewer window will open and the app will ask you to allow your webcam. Click Allow if you get the message. Step 6. Bring your hand in front of the PC, laptop camera and click on your palm. You will find the 3D model is placed on your hand. You can try with other 3D objects also. Keep on innovating and enjoy your mixed reality experience.